The problem of aging is the fact that stem cells have only a limited capacity to replicate. For many years, people believed that each organ has its specific stem cell, but there is a universal principle in nature that you have stem cells which are identical.
InGeneron has more than a decade of experience in basic research, as well as strong connections and collaboration with world-renowned research institutions. This forms the basis of InGeneron's scientific understanding. Stem cells and progenitor cells reside in the wall of blood vessels in each individual organ. These cells have the purpose to replace aging and dying cells in the respective tissue. Aging of individual organs comes down to the speed at which their pool of regenerative cells is used.
We only work with adult cells from the patient's own body. The cells finally end up to obtain the features of the cell and the tissue and the organ where they are injected. And these cells are universal, endo, ecto, mesoderm.
InGeneron's patented and CE-marked system enables physicians to extract and isolate stem cells and other cells involved in tissue regeneration. These cells are taken from fat tissue, as the demand for regeneration there is not as high as in other parts of the body. The cell preparation is then injected into the tissue that is in need of regeneration. InGeneron's Transpose RT system is ready for applications in wound care, as well as aesthetics and reconstruction in Europe. The European Medicines Agency's Committee for Advanced Therapies has issued an opinion that the final cell preparation is a non-ATMP for homologous use for subcutaneous indications, as the cells are not being manipulated during the process and the enzyme blend is removed during processing. It allows cell isolation in a closed, sterile system within 1 hour and yields a high number of regenerative cells. It is simple to use and cost-effective. The treatment is minimally invasive and fits perfectly in the workflow of the physician.
The therapy in the future will be to replace stem cells in an organ which has aged faster than the rest of the body by taking stem cells from a part of the body where you find them and concentrate those cells, extract them and apply them to the site where you need them. The mission of InGeneron is to translate basic knowledge of stem cell research into clinical application for the benefit of the patient.